Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorials. My name is Ghost, and here is another video. It is going to be a tutorial. Unfortunately, I passed the qualification and I did not take a video of it, but I hope this video still will help you out. So this is an easy hit app to work with. I'm doing those easy hit apps so everyone can qualify for it without any complications, especially when they go to the productions. You guys will be able to maintain your spam accuracy. So this is an easy hit app to work with. We do have a guideline, but it should be just really easy to understand. We just have to check if the questions are duplicate. If not, we can answer no duplicate. If it is, then we have to tag it like so. For each duplicated pair, write them down as A/B, or for this one, it's one slash the number. Okay, so Q&A pairs. Let's dive into this. We'll probably have to do as many hit apps as we can. So if you take the qualification round, you may encounter the same question. Then you'd know what the answer will be. So Q&A pairs. Question number one. Let's read it. How many pages are there in Professor Pabby's essay? Is Professor Pabby's online? Is Professor Pabby's an online story professor? Does a grade include reading? Um, there is no duplicate questions here, so definitely it's no duplicate. Now this one, what are canvas globes used for? What is the use of a canvas gloves rather? So that's a duplicate, so you would type one and then two, and then we click duplicate. Moving on to the next hit, what is the claim of the Declaration of Independence? What was the wealthiest black community in the United States in 1921? Why did Wilson argue it was necessary to get beyond the Declaration of Independence? What is the effect of minimum wage? What was the impact of progressive racism? No duplicate. What is the Japanese word of event? What is event in Japanese? That's duplicate. So one hyphen and then two and then click duplicate. What next? Uh, hit is what animals were sacrificed on ceremonial occasions? What animals were used in the chariots? How many cows were quoted as the price for an image of Indra? How many cows were quoted as the price for an image of Indra? What was the importance of oral learning? What is the smallest unit of society? I'm guessing this one. What animals were sacrificed on on ceremonial occasions? Indra, they are duplicate, so no duplicate. Is the SPCC plan amended? What is the stormwater runoff? What is the stormwater runoff? How is the stormwater runoff managed? So we have two duplicates here. So it's question number two hyphen and then question number three. Just click duplicate. What is mapu tofu or tofu rather? What is how to make mabo tofu sauce? How to cook mapu tofu? So no duplicate questions definitely. Moving on to the next is what games are available in on the PS5? Can you chat with friends while playing games? Is it better to own PS4 or Xbox One? Can you play Super Mario on Switch Lite? Can you play Switch Lite on a TV? No duplicate questions. Moving on to the next. How long does it take to deliver a package in Scotland? What is a leaf fern? What is okay? We have two duplicate questions. It's going to be two hyphen three. Hit duplicate. How can you change tariffs? What is a standing charges does or what is a standing charge does it charge? Uh, it's definitely not dupe. Okay, moving on to the next. Can you rent a roll of dumpster? What are the dimensions of a medium dumpster? No duplicate. No duplicate. How to add an admin to Airbnb? Not duplicate. Moving on to the next hit. Again, it's like list-wise questions answered diversity. What are the benefits of ultrasonic nozzles? What is an ultrasonic nozzle? What is a secondary shaping gas? What is microspray? No duplicate questions. What is Al Pacino's full first name? What was Al Pacino ever married? No duplicate there. How much new Honda CRV 20? How much was new Honda CRV 2013? How to know the Honda? Okay, definitely. Hold on a sec. How much was new Honda CRV 2013? How to know the Honda price CRV price in 2013? This is going to be duplicate, but you have to go ahead and put one and then hyphen two. They are duplicate. Okay, this is the first time I got the message. It is correct. How to lose 5 pounds? Can you lose a 5 pounds in 5 days? To lose, okay, this might be duplicate. How to lose 5 pounds? Can you lose 5 pounds in 5 days? Quickly. Okay, they are different. How to lose 5 pounds in 5 days? So these are duplicates. Let's mark it now. Two hyphen three. How would you lose? Okay, include number four. How do I lose 5 pounds and include number five? Moving on to the next. How do you make short grain rice? How to cook short grain rice? They are duplicates. So one hyphen two. Guys, this is already the production round. It's no longer the qualification. My apologies. I was not able to record it. Okay. Moving on to the next is who won Louisiana government race in governor race in 1975? Oh, those these are duplicate questions. So hyphen slash, I'm sorry, one hyphen two and click duplicate. Moving on to the next. What is the best chicken nugget to buy for kids? What are the best chicken nuggets for kids? Then it'll be a dupe. So one and then two. Click duplicate. Got their message. What is an O2 wrench? Who, what carry an O2 wrench? No duplicate. No duplicate. Okay. No duplicate as well. It's only one question. So three questions here. How to travel with a kitty? How to make a cat comfortable on a plane? How do you need for what do you need for traveling with a cat? A traveling by car, traveling with a cat, top travel. Uh, how to travel with a kitty? How? What do you need for traveling with a cat? Back seat. If traveling by car, you make okay. No duplicate questions. Who will be the NBA player in 2021? No duplicate. Okay, more questions here on the set. Can trauma change your eye color? Can your eyes change color after traumatic? How does eye trauma change the color of? How does eye trauma change the color of your eye? Why do you? Why do your eyes change after a traumatic event? Can trauma change your eye color? Can eyes? Okay, it's one, two. How does trauma change the color? Why do you? Why do your eyes change after a traumatic event? That's the only duplicate questions I can find. Let's see. Yeah, we got it right. Is it possible to take out wires in bras? Can I leave out under wires? Can you take under wiring out of bras? Um, is it possible to take out wires in bras? Can you take under wiring out of bras? So that's one and three. Let's try to figure out question number two. So yes, you can leave it wires and no, you don't need a different pattern. Include the underwire casing when sewing a pattern that calls for underwires. You'll all want to sew everything as normal. I think these are all duplicates. Yep, we got it right. Moving on to the next hit. Did the colonies win the Lexington and the Concord? How many people died in the Battle of Lexington and Concord? How many people fought at Lexington and Concord? What was the impact of the Battle of Lexington and Concord? Did the colonies with home? Okay, no duplicate. Moving on to the next. What is copywriting technical writing? What is technical copywriter? How to do technical copywriting? Um, what is copywriting technical writing? What is a technical copywriting? Technical copywriting. Okay, that is duplicate one and two. Click duplicate. Uh, Moving on to the next, what is the range of Albertson's Class 8 trucks? Where do the new trucks charge? Who makes the Albertson Class 8 trucks? No duplicate questions. Can you use private transfers on MSC cruises? Why did MSC cruises change their flight schedule? Where can I fly? No duplicate. Okay, five questions here. This will be quite tricky. What was also known as the Space Spice Island was the first European to reach the Caribbean island? Who were the first to the Cape of Hope? Um, what did the Japanese not trust the Portuguese, or why did the Japanese not trust the Portuguese? Was the island of Disema not a natural made island? Um, there are no duplicate questions here. Moving on to the next. What are some good free photo editing apps? What are nice photo editing apps for free? What is the best app to edit a picture? What is the best app for editing pictures? What are some good free photos? Okay, it's one, two. We need to put a comma here, no space, and then three. Oh, I'm sorry. One hyphen two, no, and then three, and then four. Yep, we got it right. Okay, moving on to the next is who is Claire Bowen's fiance? Who is Claire from The Voice working with? Who sings Just a Friend with Coffee Benefits? No duplicate. What is meant by communal prayer? What is a communal prayer? So that's already a duplicate question. What is a set prayer? Which is the most important prayer in Christianity? What is informal prayer? No duplicate. Oh man, I forgot. That was duplicate. I'm sorry. I clicked on no duplicate, but it's supposed to be duplicate. Anyways, is Ethiopian Airlines a leading carrier? Where is the Addis Ababa Hotel? Where is the Addis Ababa Hotel? So already that's two and three. Duplicate and click duplicate. Who is the CEO of Solomon Airlines? Who is the female pilot on the Twin Otters? Who is the second check and training pilot for Twin who is the second check and training pilot for Otter, who is the instruction of ITC course. Uh, who is the female pilot? No, no duplicate. What is the mood of Kill the Boy Band? Who is the author of Kill the Boy Band? What is the plot of Kill the Boy Band? Is Kill the Boy Band a novel? Who is the mood? Who is the author? No duplicate, guys. Moving on to the next is what are the side effects of MRI scan in children? Do we get MRI scan sheet as a report? How an MRI machine work for kids? No duplicate. Some of the hits will tell you if it's right or it's wrong. Um, Again, unfortunately, this is not the qualification. It's already the production. I did pass it, but I was not able to record it. I thought I did, but again, I didn't. But it should be easy to pass this one. Moving on to the next is did the Halls have a falling out with Velodyne? Did Steel Hall resign from Velodyne? When does Velodyne lease expire? Who bought Velodyne? Who is the founder of Velodyne? No duplicate questions. Did the Rolling Stones ever move to London? Is there a lockdown in Shed 7 2021? No. What is the band called? That Trick and York's son play and how many albums does no duplicate questions. Does the liability cover a rental car in Nevada? What are the requirements for car insurance in Las Vegas? What is the coverage of rental car in Nevada? There's no duplicate. When was Eminem's Adventure released? When did Eminem's Beach Party come out? Not duplicate. When was Eminem Lost Formulas released? No duplicate, guys. What is Privacy Preference Center? What is the purpose of information on a website? No duplicate at all. Where is Castel Mezzano located? Where to sleep in Monte Rubiaglio? whatever that is. Is it cheaper to book in advance for autumn? Where to detox from stress? No duplicate. No duplicate there. It's just one question. All right. What is God's purpose for every Christianity? What does long mean in the dictionary? What does pure milk mean? Why does Peter say therefore? No duplicate on this one. How much does a Suzuki GXR? They are duplicate, guys. Oh no, not duplicate at all. This one is just one question that's not duplicate. All right, I hope you were able to get the thought process on how to work on this head app. Again, it's list wise question answer diversity. Again, my name is Ghost. Our Facebook group is Ghostly Hitters. Please join the group if you want to reach out to me or if you want to join the weekly challenge we have there. A weekly challenge we call earn as much as you can. Some people earn 1 to 50 USD per week. Some can earn more, or some just earn more, like 50 to 100, and some earn $100 to the moon every week. So again, the name of the Facebook group is Ghostly Hitters. Also, please subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos and overview videos. Sometimes we upload qualification vids, but that's not a lot helpful to everyone in the long run because you're not helping yourself out. But I do appreciate people watching those types of videos, and I do understand how important it is to them. Anyways, we'll try to upload as much as uh, we can in regard to um, those qualification videos. So, what else can I tell you all? Yeah, well, that's it. So, leave a comment on the comment fields below if you have any suggestions or questions, as well as, again, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We made this far, and really thank you, everyone. Have a good day, live long, and prosper. Bye for now.